What's going on? Michael Petty here. So, Paul Stevenson, the owner of Exitus Elite, said he had a meeting with his team of closers. Now, what this is that when a person go through your information, right, you drive traffic to the lead capture pages, right? Because Exitus Elite come with a number of lead capture pages. Exitus Elite has everything you need. Comes with lead capture pages, right? It has an autoresponder that's built in. It's going to do the follow up on your behalf, right? Driving them back to the 6-minute presentation to talk about what Exitus Elite and all the benefits. And there's a place inside of the back office where you can set up the Exitus call team. So when your prospects go to the information, your prospects will call them, right? Exitus Elite will answer the questions and close yourself for you and send your commission. Using this service, you earn 80% commission on the work that Exitus Elite did. Now I'm going to share one of the bonuses that I give that will help you to take advantage of the Exitus callback team. One of the team bonuses I give when you partner with me, I run traffic, your first set of traffic, depending on what level you're in, that you come in, certain amount of traffic that I'm going to purchase for you to get a flow of leads, right? A flow of people looking at your business. So, where you're going to do that, when you partner with me, choose a lead capture page that you want, and then you get your link right here. You're going to get that link to me. I'm going to take that link. I'm going to run paid traffic to your link. Okay. So what happens is, person goes through the sources I use. You're going to get a flow of leads. They're going to opt in. It's going to drive them to see the 6-minute presentation using the autoresponders. Okay. And you have to go in the back office right here where it says Exitus closing team. You have to go here and you have to activate it. Okay, you have to activate it. So once you activate it, I'm gonna run the traffic to your lead capture page, the autoresponder drive traffic to the 6-minute presentation. By the end of them checking out all the information, we're going to be prompt to call the Exitus closing team. Exitus Elite will answer the questions if they have questions, close your sale, and send you your commissions. Now, the one thing I highly suggest you do, I want you to create a bridge page. I don't care if it's 15 seconds, 20 seconds. Hey, how you doing? My name is Michael Petty. Started this business because I want to become a better provider for my family. I'm excited. I'm ready to make $1,000, $2,000 commissions. If you're ready to do the same thing, click the link below and let's get started. Something like that. Something quick, simple. Get off. Because you want people to connect with you. You have to give people someone to connect to. Okay? Right. One of the best strategies that I learned is get on camera, video. Video is powerful. In the beginning, I was nervous, didn't know what to say. But once you get used to it over time, it just go flowing. The whole thing is you're not really selling. Okay? If you focus on sell, it's going to be hard. But if you just come on camera, if you got a little edit or whatever, take out the parts where, you might make a mistake and go back and just edit that out. Because the whole point is really get the value, share the value. Okay? Share strategies that work. Okay? Share little tidbits that you can give that will help people, even if they're in another business. Let me tell you a secret right here. Here's a secret. If you give people tips that they can use, right, that helps them in their business, and they make the decision to come over to check your information out, then it's most likely that they'll be able to join you, right? But you got to continue to put information out there, continue to build your list. This is a page I made that's very similar to Linktree, but I made this using a home business academy, right? Even though Exitus Elite has lead capture page, I like to make my own lead capture pages because I wanted to say something different. So let me share this with you. This is one of my favorite lead capture pages inside of Exitus Elite. As you can see, it says that my capture page says the exact same thing. The only thing that's different between their lead capture page and my lead capture page is it says, see how to get paid your first commission today. Instead of that, I want to share what we share. We share team training on how to make consistent sales. So that's what we do. So I want to change it up a little bit. Also down here, it says free gifts and training will be sent to the email you provide. That's another trick. If you tell people, if you give me, because we got people that put in fake emails. If you want these tricks, If you want these free gifts, you have to give me your real email, because the information is getting sent to that email. Okay, I'll share information you can, if you already have a business, I'll share information you can use for that business also. Okay, you can take the strategy, because I use evergreen strategies. What I do over here can be used over here, right? Only thing different is the information that you share about the business. It's pretty much it. So listen, use the Exitus callback team, okay? When you join my team, from the G100, which pushes you in to make $100 sale over and over again, that's $149, all the way up to the G2000. That positions you to earn $2,000 over and over again per sale. That's $23.99. If you need to start at the lower level and slowly upgrade, you only gonna pay the difference, right? You don't have to come in at the 100. Let's say you want to go to 500. You don't pay the whole 500. You pay the difference, which will be 400. In that, you pay the difference in the admin and also in the product packages. So you got the 100, 250, 500, 1000, G2000. If you the highest you go, right, all the lower levels come with it, and you never have another payment. There's no yearly fee, there's no monthly fee. You pay one time, you earn unlimited commissions. Okay, coming at the G2000, that's $23.99 is the max you're going to pay. You're all in, you're done, right? You can earn unlimited $2,000 commissions. Okay, now another gift I give when you partner with me at the G1000 or G2000, I put the first move in for you, because the first person, the first commission is a pass up. With anybody else, you're going to lose that first person and that first commission. Join me, I'm going to put the first person in for you, so all the work you do will be yours, your commission, your people. You're not losing anything with me. So just to recap, join me, give me the lead capture page, the link that you want to, drive the traffic, take the lead capture back to the traffic will go to your lead capture page, fill out the information, autoresponder goes out, bringing people back to the 6-minute presentation, set up your callback team so Exitus Elite will close your sales for you. Now, I don't use this service because I personally want to close my own sales, because I put the first person in for you. I don't want nobody sneaking in. That's the setup. So if you're ready to get started, click the link down in the description, enter your name and email address. You want to see how I do it, you want to see what I share, just enter your name and email address. Okay, either on that page or also this page is going to be down at the bottom, where you're going to get access also to my information page. You're going to see how you can get access to the Home Business Academy, which is $25 all-in-one business. That also pays, but I mainly use it for the system of making my own pages, my own training pages and everything, because Exitus Elite do have great capture pages, as you can see for yourself, high quality capture pages. But I want to brand myself every step of the way. So I make my own pages, still promoting Exitus Elite, so I can brand myself. People can connect with me. People can see me. So let's get you positioned to earn these $2,000 commissions. If you need to start at the lowest of $149 and upgrade, do that. So my name is Michael Petty, and I'll see you on the inside.